Introduction. Japan, an island nation in East Asia, is composed of 4 main islands and numerous smaller ones. Known for its rich history, cultural heritage, technological innovations, and natural beauty, Japan holds a significant influence worldwide. This article aims to provide a comprehensive introduction to Japan, covering its history, culture, geography, tourist attractions, cuisine, and modern life. History and culture. Ancient Japan and the first emperors. Japan's history dates back to 660 BCE, according to legend, when the first emperor, Jimmu, ascended to the throne. The history of ancient Japan is a blend of mythology and historical events. The prehistoric period includes the Jomon and Yayoi cultures. The Jomon people were hunters and gatherers, while the Yayoi culture is noted for its advancements in agriculture and metalworking. The samurai era and the Edo period. During Japan's medieval period, the samurai and feudal lords, daimyo, dominated the landscape. This era was marked by internal wars and political strife. In the 12th century, Minamoto no Yoritomo established the Kamakura shogunate, becoming Japan's first shogun. The Edo period, 1603–1868, under the Tokugawa shogunate, was a time of peace and stability, during which Japan isolated itself from the outside world and developed a unique culture. The Edo period is also considered a golden age for Japanese art and literature. Meiji Restoration and the birth of modern Japan. The Meiji Restoration of 1868 marked the beginning of Japan's modernization and industrialization along Western lines. This period ended the feudal system and established a centralized government, leading to Japan's rapid transformation into a major industrial and military power. Traditional cultural elements. Japan's cultural heritage is rich with traditional elements like the tea ceremony, kimonos, sumo wrestling, and kabuki and no theaters. The tea ceremony, reflecting Zen philosophy, emphasizes tranquility, simplicity, and harmony with nature. The kimono is Japan's traditional garment, worn on special occasions and festivals. Sumo wrestling, Japan's national sport, dates back to ancient times. Geography and climate. Geographic location and island structure. Japan is an island nation in the Pacific Ocean, consisting of 4 main islands: Honshu, Hokkaido, Kyushu, and Shikoku. Honshu is the largest island, home to the capital Tokyo and other major cities. Hokkaido, in the north, is known for its cold climate. Kyushu in the south has a warm climate, while Shikoku is known for its agriculture and fishing. Climate regions and weather. Japan's climate varies greatly due to its geographical location and topography. It is divided into 4 main climate regions: the cold climate of Hokkaido, the temperate climate of northern Honshu, the subtropical climate of Kyushu and Shikoku, and the tropical climate of Okinawa. Japan experiences 4 distinct seasons, each with its own beauty. Spring features cherry blossoms, sakura, summer is hot and humid, autumn brings colorful foliage, and winter covers the mountains in snow. Tourist attractions. Tokyo. Tokyo, Japan's capital and largest city, is known for its modernity, technology, and bustling city life. The Shibuya Crossing, one of the busiest pedestrian crossings in the world, is a symbol of Tokyo. Akihabara is famous for its electronic stores and otaku culture, while Asakusa offers a glimpse of traditional Japan with the Sensoji Temple. Kyoto. Kyoto, the former capital of Japan, is renowned for its traditional Japanese architecture, temples, and gardens. The Golden Pavilion, Kinkakuji, and Kiyomizu-dera are among Kyoto's most famous temples. Kyoto is also known for its traditional tea ceremonies and geisha culture. Hiroshima. Hiroshima, which suffered immense destruction during World War II from the atomic bomb, is now a symbol of peace. The Peace Memorial Park and the Atomic Bomb Dome commemorate the city's tragic past and its commitment to peace. Hiroshima is also famous for its delicious okonomiyaki, a type of savory pancake. Natural beauty. Japan is blessed with stunning natural beauty. Mount Fuji, the highest and most iconic mountain in Japan, holds significant cultural and artistic importance. Onsen hot springs are found throughout Japan, offering relaxation in natural hot water. Cherry blossoms, sakura, bloom in spring, covering the country in a pink blanket. Japanese cuisine. Popular dishes. Japanese cuisine is renowned for its fresh and high-quality ingredients, elegant presentation, and balanced flavors. Sushi, one of Japan's most famous dishes, combines fresh fish and seafood with vinegared rice, offering a healthy and delicious meal. Ramen is a noodle soup made with broth, noodles, and various toppings. Tempura consists of lightly battered and fried vegetables and seafood. Wagashi are traditional Japanese sweets, often enjoyed during tea ceremonies. Food culture. Eating in Japan is not just about sustenance, but also an art form. The Japanese food culture emphasizes the elegance of presentation and attention to detail. Restaurants in Japan strive to provide unique and memorable dining experiences. Izakayas, traditional Japanese pubs, offer a variety of snacks and drinks. Street food is also popular in Japan, with treats like takoyaki, octopus balls, and yakitori, grilled chicken skewers, enjoyed by both locals and tourists. Modern Japan Technology and Innovation Japan is a global leader in technology and innovation. Companies like Sony, Toyota, Nintendo, and Panasonic underscore Japan's dominance in the technology sector. Japan is also at the forefront of robotics and artificial intelligence. Robots are used in various industries, from manufacturing to healthcare. Japan's technology fairs and exhibitions attract visitors from around the world. Fashion and pop culture. Japan also has a significant impact on global fashion. Tokyo's Harajuku district is famous for its vibrant and creative fashion styles among the youth. Harajuku fashion has become a global phenomenon. Japanese pop culture, particularly anime and manga, has a massive international following. Anime and manga are major cultural exports from Japan, captivating millions of fans worldwide. Education and daily life education system. Japan's education system is highly regarded for its rigor and quality. The country places a strong emphasis on education, with a structured system that includes elementary, middle, and high school, followed by university. Japanese students are known for their discipline and hard work. The university entrance exams are highly competitive, and attending a prestigious university is considered a significant achievement. Daily life in Japan is characterized by a blend of traditional practices and modern conveniences. Japanese homes are often small and designed to maximize space efficiency. The concept of buie, harmony, plays a crucial role in Japanese life, influencing everything from interpersonal relationships to the design of public spaces. The transportation system, particularly in urban areas, is highly efficient and punctual, with trains and subways being the primary modes of commuting. Festivals and traditions. Seasonal festivals. Japan is known for its numerous seasonal festivals, each with its own unique customs and celebrations. The Hanami, cherry blossom viewing festival in spring, is one of the most famous, where people gather under blooming cherry trees for picnics and celebrations. In summer, festivals like Tanabata and Obon feature parades, traditional dances, and fireworks. Autumn brings festivals celebrating the harvest, while winter festivals, such as the Sapporo Snow Festival, showcase impressive ice sculptures. Traditional arts. Traditional Japanese arts, such as calligraphy, shodo, flower arranging, ikebana, and tea ceremony, sado, are still practiced and revered today. These arts emphasize simplicity, precision, and a deep connection with nature. Martial arts, including judo, kendo, and aikido, also play a significant role in Japanese culture, promoting discipline, respect, and self-improvement. Economy and industry. Economic landscape. Japan is the third largest economy in the world, known for its advanced technology, manufacturing, and export-driven industries. The country's economic strength is built on a combination of innovative technology, efficient production methods, and a highly skilled workforce. Major industries include automotive, electronics, robotics, and precision machinery. Business culture. Japanese business culture is characterized by a strong emphasis on teamwork, respect for hierarchy, and meticulous attention to detail. Concepts like kaizen, continuous improvement, and nemawashi, laying the groundwork, are integral to Japanese corporate practices. Meetings often involve thorough discussions and consensus building, reflecting the importance of harmony and collective decision-making. Government and politics. Political system Japan is a constitutional monarchy with a parliamentary government. The emperor is the ceremonial head of state, while the prime minister is the head of government. Japan's political landscape is dominated by the Liberal Democratic Party, LDP, which has been in power for most of the post-war period. The Diet, Japan's bicameral legislature, consists of the House of Representatives and the House of Councillors. International relations. Japan plays a significant role in international affairs, being a member of organizations such as the United Nations, G7, and the World Trade Organization. Japan maintains strong alliances, particularly with the United States, and is actively involved in regional diplomacy in Asia. The country's foreign policy focuses on promoting peace, economic cooperation, and sustainable development.